Okay guys, welcome back to AGEX'S Outdoors, and it is Friday, March 7th, and we're going to go out on a squirrel hunt this afternoon. Yesterday was super windy out, super cold. Today's back up in the 40s and basically light and variable winds. So anyways, for everybody that was wondering about the affiliate program that I'm in with Fox Air Powers. So basically guys, the affiliate link to Fox Air Powers is actually in my description. No longer using a barcode or the QR code. It's basically underneath my description on my main channel. So if you guys click that link, it will take you right to Fox Air Powers. And if you guys buy something from him, it actually helps me out with the channel. So greatly appreciate it, guys. And like I said, he sells pellets, every caliber, from your 22 up to your, 45 caliber, 72 caliber. So, and then he also has the Hawk Optics, UTG bipods, Donnie FL suppressors. He has them on the site, and Brocock Western air gunners or air guns, and then Mr. Howell Point slugs are on his page. So anyways guys, we're gonna go out on a squirrel hunt here and basically go see if we can get a squirrel. Also guys, check out Big Air Precision for your 3D printed magazines that I've been using. These magazines work really good, and I've never had a jam, never had an issue. The only thing I really did was in super cold weather. It seemed like it kind of like locked up just a little bit, but it was still working. But other than that guys, Ava 2.0 is the gun of choice. We're gonna check zero real quick here, and then we're gonna run out for the afternoon and see. And basically the regulator is set at 1800, and I'm 2 turns in on the hammer spring, so we're shooting about 866 roughly. And these pellets are super flat shooting. So anyways guys, stay tuned and we're gonna get out there. Okay guys, welcome back. So we're set up now, and we confirmed zero with Ava 2.0, and we actually had to do a little more adjustment than I thought on the scope. So my stickers are a little bit off at the moment, but I don't know, it's kind of getting late in the year now where I might end up just taking these stickers off. I mean, they're nice to have, but when you get a little bit of different weather, it does change. So really my 50-yard scope sticker for 50 yards is actually my 40-yard sticker. It makes no sense, but obviously when we sighted the scope in, it was in the 50s. Today's 40 something. But yesterday was super cold, but today's back up again. So, but anyways, no side shot on the gun still. Still working, trying to get the scope figured out with the side shot. Ever since I put the side shot on last hunt, I couldn't get it to focus at all. And my cell phone, I thought maybe the camera was jacked up, and it's not my camera, so I'm thinking it's something with the lens and the side shot, maybe shifted too far over or something, but it's not showing anything. Everything that it does show, it's all just constant blur. I even focused it, tried everything, put it on a different scope to see, and it did the same. Even if I went from 9x down to 3x, it still was all blurred. So it's something to do with the side shot mount, or the whole phone camera mount. But anyways, we do have the Nikon camera here. So get any squirrels that come in, you guys will see it over there on the Nikon. And one good thing is I'll be able to zoom in on them on that camera. So if you guys watch way back at the beginning of our squirrel season, we actually used the Nikon, and it did really good with that camera. So we brought it back out, got the clip on the side of the blind, but I should have brought my tripod for the camera. But anyways, guys, stay tuned, and we're gonna sit out here for the rest of the afternoon. It's beautiful out. Well, a light and variable winds right now, so this is perfect for hunting. So anyways, guys, stay tuned, and we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, 50 yards. Crosman Premier hollow points. We're gonna shoot at that green plate. My local dollar store was out of black spray paint, so we had to get green, or they had brown, and the brown just looked nasty. Like, so green's not much better. I wish they had like fluorescent orange or something like that, but you guys are looking at the 50 yard, and then we're gonna shoot a little 3-shot group. We're gonna aim dead center. You guys should be able to see the impacts. There we go. Yep, so we definitely got a little more work to do here. Now, I'm basically just going off of my scope sticker, so if we actually go to 50 yards, it shoots a mil high. So that one dropped down a little bit, but now we'll go out to 60. Get this just right here. So we're gonna aim for the other green plate, and then who knows, maybe at the end there we'll aim for that little spinner hanging off to the left side of the plate. Then you got the little prairie dog out there. That's 70 yards. So we're at 60 now, even though it looks like it's in line with the 60, but it's really not, guys. The prairie dog is at 70. I range find all these targets before I even put them out, and according to the rangefinder, the green plate right now is exactly 60 yards, and then the prairie dog's at 70, and then the oak tree is exactly 80 yards from here. So we'll go for 80, shoot a 3-shot group. Or 60, sorry guys. Yep. So my chart's a little bit off, guys. Oh, that one dropped in. Oh, that one hit. That one hit right where I was aiming. I think that one hit it too. my chart's off, guys. We're gonna have to, let's go out there to 70. I don't know how many pellets I have left here, but yep, and we're out. Well, we'll just load up one pellet in, guys, for 70. And then, like I said, I'm gonna have to work on this chart, I believe. Especially if I plan on going out hunting. Because we're getting a lot of up and down motion here. Hit it right in the neck. Wow. That one grazed it. So what I'm going to do, guys, just to show you guys how far we're actually shooting now. The little coyote target, the orange one, is exactly 55 yards. And then you go to the green plate that we started, that's 50. Then I got the little 4-inch plate by that pink flag, and that's 40. And then I come all the way up to here to 25, which is the little block target. And that oak tree behind you guys is exactly 80 yards from where I'm shooting now. So I'm not joking, guys. This is how far I'm actually shooting. Let me zoom back in. And then obviously way back there is the backstop, which that's 120 from here. So